For our final beginner's lesson, we will learn how to use the response cards or clickers to participate in a presentation. Much of what we learn in this portion of the lesson will be useful to pass on to your students when showing them how to participate in presentations you create. Let's look at the Turning Point clicker. On the clicker, you will notice circular buttons numbered 1 through 9. Each of these buttons also corresponds with a letter from the alphabet. At the bottom of the clicker, you also notice a 0 or 10 button that corresponds with another letter of the alphabet. The channel button and question mark button are not buttons typically used by the students during a presentation. They are needed only to complete some more advanced programming of the clickers, which we will not discuss today. To use the clicker, simply press the button that corresponds to the answer you wish to select. For example, if the presentation asks the question, "What is your favorite season?" and gives the options of 1, spring, 2, summer, 3, fall, or 4, winter, you would select the button on your clicker that corresponds with your favorite season. For this example, let's say that spring is the favorite season, so we would select the 1 on our clicker. When you select an answer, it will appear briefly on the LCD screen of your clicker. There is also an LCD dot on each clicker, which may flash various colors. If the dot flashes green, as it did there, you will know that your response was received by the USB receiver. If it had flashed red, you would have known that your response was not correctly received and you would have to resubmit your answer. The other options are the dot may flash yellow several times. This is saying that your response is being sent to the USB receiver. Oftentimes, the transmission is so instantaneous that you would not notice these yellow flashes. Finally, the dot may flash yellow just once. If it does this, this says that the polling session is not currently open, and you will have to wait until the polling session is open before you submit your response. Once you have successfully submitted your response, you may decide that you want to change your answer. As long as the polling session is still open, this is possible. Simply press the button that corresponds to your new answer choice. In this case, let's say that we want to change our answer from spring to fall. We would want to select the number 3 on our clicker since it corresponds with fall. Once you click, check for the green light on your LCD dot to make sure that your answer was received. You may change your answer as many times as you wish while the polling session is open. The last answer you select will be the one recorded. Now that you know how to set up all of the Turning Point components and use the Turning Point clickers, you are ready to create your own lessons and presentations. The intermediate videos will discuss how to create Turning Point presentations.